So welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans. It is a cold one here today in Pennsylvania. When I got up this morning, it was 15 below. It has since warmed up to a balmy 10 degrees below zero. I was going to go cut some wood this morning, but I think I'm going to wait a few hours until it warms up at least a little bit. I think later on today, it's supposed to get up to 25, maybe even 30 degrees. Think about that. That is a 40-degree temperature change approximately, and it will still be below freezing. Now next week, I was looking at the extended forecast. It's looking like from Wednesday on, we're seeing some temperatures in the 40s, so we'll probably start to have a big meltdown at that point, which is kind of a good thing. I like when it's cold and frozen, but when it's this cold and this much snow, everything just takes longer. Everything you try to do, it's kind of a battle. So this morning I'm out running around, need to pick up a few things for Melissa, and then when I get back to the house, we'll kind of ease into things and see how it goes. Well, I got the saw sharpened up, got it all fueled up, all ready to go, and I'm pretty much dead in the water. I think it's time to throw in the towel here on the wood cutting until conditions get a little bit better. This is that one section of trail right by the house here. The house is right up there. I mentioned the other day, at some point, I need to bring that trail across up here instead of down this big dip right here, because I can't make it up. I'm done. So this tractor is the MX 5400, and I've got the R4 tires on it. It would go better out here with the ag tires, but I do like the R4 tires for the other times of the year. And these tires would do a lot better if I had chains on them. But like I said, we normally don't get this much snow. Next week it's going to be warming up, so I don't really want to fool with chains. I think it may be best just to kind of change directions and do something else. I'm literally just spinning my wheels here. All right, now we're going to see if we can get back out of here. This section here isn't bad. So you know how like this time of year in the middle of winter, I think a lot of us feel the same way. Once you're done doing whatever you're doing and you eat dinner, you feel like you're ready to go to bed. And what has been happening to me is, you know, I get up early every day, 4 or 4:30 every single day. I just wake up, I'm ready to go. But next thing you know, I'm falling asleep at 7:30, 8 o'clock at night. And then I'm waking up at 2:30 in the morning, and it's just not a good thing. But I think I found a solution. It at least works for me. I started to walk on the treadmill in the evenings. Now, I'm not a big fan of those. I'd kind of rather go for a walk early in the morning, but the weather's just nasty for that. So what I did, I started kind of forcing myself just to walk a couple miles right at dark, and then I eat dinner right after that. And I have found I've been staying up till about 9:30, 10 o'clock at night with way more energy and still getting up at my regular time. So maybe that'll work for you guys. But everyone I talk to, especially when you work out in the cold and stuff,
Boy, you come in, eat dinner, it is hard to keep your eyes open. They just want to slam shut on you. But I'm going to continue to do that. And once the weather gets a little bit better, I'll head into town for some walks and things like that. I like being outside, but the treadmill is not bad. I will watch YouTube videos with headphones or listen to a podcast or something like that. And like I said, I just do like 2 miles, and it makes all the difference in the world for me. But anyway, right now I'm going to fill up the tractor, and then I need to get a few things ready to go. And I'm not going to do much the rest of the day. Melissa and I will be leaving early tomorrow morning for Messick's. You'll see this video on Friday morning. And we'll be out there around 10:30 in the morning, hopefully, in Mount Joy. They're having an open house, and we'll be having like a meetup there. So hopefully we'll get to meet some of you guys there. So since we're not cutting any wood today, I think it may be best to show some more tractor pictures.
So what you just saw there was a bunch more pictures from Outdoors with the Morgans viewers. They send them in and we include them in videos. We have a bunch more to go through. We'll probably do that on and off over the next week or two, but we're gonna have to make today the last day to send in any pictures. And make sure, please send them to picsowtm@gmail.com. I set up that email specifically for this. Don't send them to our regular email. They're just getting all clogged up, and I can't guarantee you they will be in a video if you don't send them to the correct email. But anyway, I think that's about it. Like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.